Omonto oyo mokwenekiwa gusiria obogima bwae imeye county area Nairobi kubwatikana amono kolbikana okwabere koba gukwenekiwa ase ensemo eyo nabo igo ase ensemo yende omoriki obotambe ase wizara eri yoborendi bwime iganya koba kwenekinga eserikali nigo etabwati mangana and onse usitari konyaka kubwatirania kubwatekana amono gusira kwa abantu abaukagirwa bagwochererwa imeyense ya Kenya. Chinga kichingiana no mwanju morigeria and onze asoringo nyara kwa kingo kwariga ni gocha ase emensa yiga yamagia tunyara kwa togochaka na wigo tuimanye ase nchira jobo ikanu ari abiri kwa bakawati kana boyo tuikira igitasini ya kyao anjite kubwate kinsa emerongo 24 Amazing Voice of Victory iri anene ngwankuru kwa Hesbon Bosire tuisaranse tuimanye ase nchira jobo ikanu kuyachaka amajani ko tukuyachaka kuru ase ekigambiro ekene kya busongo abo ase umonachi ebina bwensemo eyo Dr. Bernard Omonsa nyarakobaga kurwa uguchika okubekwa byara ku mwarimu omonne bw'esukuru y'obundi ya Kisii National Polytechnic kubatikana amono gutekirania okonacha ekigambiro ekyo kenyarakobaga kunacha ekenyarakobaga kweta ikonyarakobaga kubwatenia esukuru eyo nabo igorishirika elimoria sifa kubwatikana amono kwakana abo ase kigambiro ekyo kenyarakobaga kuborwa kiakane Evans Morara ore umuteneneri bwensemo iya sifa timilioni 52 nabo wikaboniga egetambukiro ekitaranya kwa bakiwikanwa egentu gikira munachi oyu ebina kurwa okonacha okoba okwana amuna bariki amngana bari bakonya ko bakugera obwene bwa mwanya bantu ni kubanya ko bagotogia egetambukiro ekyo ekigambiro ekyo kenya ko bagikurwa umugaso w'ituko lya lero tunyore orboti uru asinchira yubikiranu.
The court cannot remain a passive spectator where its orders are openly disregarded. The authority of the court and the administration of justice demand that court orders be obeyed. Failure to enforce compliance will not only prejudice the decree holder but will also erode public confidence in the judicial process. Accordingly, I am satisfied that the sufficient grounds exist for the issuance of the warrants and orders as follows. That warrants of arrest are hereby issued against the contemners judgment debtors for continued disobedience of the orders of this court issued on the 24th day June 2026 for avoidance of doubt. Geoffrey Andama, Principal, Kisii National Polytechnic, and Santino Ojaro, Chairman of the Governing Council, Kenya National Polytechnic. B, that the warrant shall be executed by the OCS Kisii Police Station or another police officer acting upon his authority. C, upon arrest, the contemnor shall be produced before this court on the earliest available date for further orders and directions. And the costs occasioned by today's proceedings shall be borne by the contemnors. It is so ordered.
Evans Morara Nyangongo, a trainer at Kisii National Polytechnic and the immediate former head of Agriculture and Environmental Science Department, the lead contact person and the coordinator for the Skills Initiative project, which is dubbed SIFA at Kisii National Polytechnic. I must confess that today the court has come out clear that court orders are not issued in vain, and that court orders are not papers, and that also nobody is above the law. Or
it is very clear that as my colleague has said, nobody is above the law, and all of us are just within the precincts of the law. But it is very unfortunate that the principles of this court, effective in fact 2022-23, they have been carrying out hide and seek game in regard and respect to the project, SIFA project. Each of them has been in fact raising issues and trying to have scapegoats.
Oigokatu kunyaka tugotigana amono roboti uru nigoto kwenda guika ase ensemo yende abo ase umuriki obutambi bw'wizara eri y'oburindi bw'ime aya Kenya Daktari Raymond Omoro anyereko bagakwegera eserikali kubwatikana amone getambukiro abo ase chinkuma cyabiriko bakigoteba eserikali nigiye kunyarako bakikwebwaterania ase ogwochererwa kw'abantu abanyereko bakubura imiyense ya Kenya abo igocingaki amashirika ali akunyarako bagakwegerera obwene bw'omwanya bantu banyereko bagoteba nga eserikali nigegendererete gutumika chinguru chinyinge chingaki abakenya bakunyarako bagwesokya kurera obwene bwabo korengana amuna Daktari Raymond Omoro nigo anyereko bagakwerera nga eserikali nigo etamanyiti ayo agenderete ase korende aganyereko bagakwenekia nga ugocherera okukwa abakenya nigo kukunyarako bagukwariganywa napo igo kubangwa amona bantu bakugania konyora obokonyi gose konyora obotyuteria ubonge kuru ase abakenya nigo ari konyarako bakakwana yo chingaki anyarako bakawikana omusangerekano oyomo unyarako bagokoreta yo abo ase abateneneri abayabo burendi barachikunyako bakonya aba commissioner banyarako bagochorwa nabo kubikirwa chigutwa imiyense ya Kenya.
What I'd like to mention is that
tumekuwa na watu wanasema wamekuwa abducted ama wametekwa nyara. Mwishowe unapata ni watu walikuwa wanataka kupatia ama kutupa lawama kama serikali, na kwa hakika ni watu walikuwa wamejificha kibinafsi kwa njia ambao pengine ni mambo yao ama kwa ile kutafuta umaarufu ama kujaribu kutuonyesha kwamba kama serikali hatuzingatii maslahi ya Wakenya ama tunadhulumu wa Kenya. So the point of the matter is that there are no abductions under the watch of His Excellency President Ruto. And if there is anyone, of course, the law is clear and the processes are very clear. Anyone who is missing, I think it's important that they must be reported as missing persons. When you say someone is abducted, it's important to indicate who abducted, and we will be able to follow through. Hiyo mambo ya utekaji nyara ni mambo ilipitwa na wakati. Actually, katika ile serikali iliyopita ndio tulikuwa na hiyo changamoto ya watu walikuwa wanatekwa nyara ama wanakuwa abducted. Wengine walikuwa wanapatikana kwa mito na sehemu zingine tofauti. Tangu tuchukue ushukani na Mheshimiwa Rais William Ruto has been very clear katika uongozi wake hakutakuwa na mambo kama hayo. And tumekuwa kwa hii taifa mara nyingi. Hivi majuzi tumekuwa na demonstrations zenye zimekuwa peaceful. Wananchi wenye walikuwa wanataka kudemonstrate walikuwa na nafasi, wenye walikuwa wako na shughuli zingine waliendelea na shughuli zao, na watu wenye walishikwa ama walikamatwa na polisi walipelekwa mahakamani. Sio tu hivi majuzi, juma iliyopita, na hata nyakati zingine ambao tumekuwa na demonstrations. Na pia tumekuwa na watu wanasema wamekuwa abducted ama wametekwa nyara. Mwishowe unapata ni watu walikuwa wanataka kupatia ama kutupa lawama kama
oigo omuntu oyo moni ganyereka bagakwenekiwa gusiria ubugima bwaye ase chinsemo chichamadare naboigo ensemo india kiama iko goika chinsemo cha Uruma imi county ya Nairobi kubwatikana amono korobekana kwanyereka bagokwenekiwa ase gika rero ryanyako bari kurikia ritukuria gatatu gesa abantu abanyereka bagochaka okorobekana oku askiri bakonyako bagoteba n'abasayi babiri basirete batamanyikanti ase bari neba n'umukia bwe amate yabo gotema gonjukana chinyagitari au imiye county ya Nairobi bataranyara ko bakubanyora asi bari kolengana amona abantu bensemi yo bono ni gwanya ko bakoraga serikali ekyara asikiri banye ko bagotenga amasai abo ni gwanya ko bakobekwa kigarime amona abantu bakagiri ko ba abo bisaba banyanyimbo nabo igo gwikarero igo batamanyikaniti asi bari nabo igo gwanya ko bakoria eira batachikunya ko bakwiri na mega chinga kibarachi ko gendera korigia obwene bwabu bochereru batamanyiti asi bari gwika kifamily kyabo cyanyari ko bachiko banyora.
Ni siku 11 hatujui aliko, hakuwa na makosa. Tunauliza, hii ndiyo serikali ambayo tulichagua? Tuko na huzuni sana. Na watuambia ati tunawasumbua, kila saa tunawasumbua, lakini wakishika hawasumbuliwi.
Mwanzo zingine watoto wakitiona wanajiuliza baba yao wanafanya tu wameenda safari, wapi tutampata akiwa hai? Sema hata ni wahalifu, wako na right ya kufikishwa kotini.
Kuna familia mingi sana saa hizi naitisha, alikuwa anawapatia chakula, sasa hivi wakuli juu ya Zizo.
Kama kuna kitu wameshika Shiso naye wapeleke kotini.
We wanted to hear something good, something that will please our hearts, but sasa we want the truth too. Hata ikuwe mbaya tutachukua tu.
Hawa imemaliza familia yetu, tafadhali. Hawa
Waliambiwa washuke kwa gari, wakalalishwa chini, wakaulizia ndugu yangu, akasema ni yeye, wakamchukua. Wale wengine wakatishiwa wakiinua kichwa watauawa, wakaachwa hapo, wakaenda na ndugu yangu.
Ukiangalia huku kia Michael Zizo, kuna familia mingi sana saa hizi naitisha, alikuwa anawapatia chakula, sasa hivi wakuli juu ya Zizo.
watoto waachiliwe huru. Maandamano iliisha na sasa bado tunaona ni kama mnataka tuandamane. Maandamano iliisha, lakini bila hawa watatu bado inaonekana.
Oiko uyolinge omokonyi bumuraivense ukabire imiense ya Kenya Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua ase entude yende diganya ko bakawesokya na komocha serikali kubwatekana amona kiri anyara ko bakagoteba serikali nigo erengeretie koura abariki obosubore bukorika kiri bakonyara ko bakorora buna enjira emo yo kumanya abakenya kiri kegenderete gokorekana imeyense ya Kenya nigo arikunyara ko kakunyakwana ayu ase enka yaye gotoka wa Munyoro ime county area Nyeri umugaso bweri tukori arero.
That ahead of general elections, journalists and bloggers get targeted by unpopular regimes that fear the power of the people at the ballot. Some journalists or bloggers are either disappear, they are silenced, compromised, or killed altogether. It is shameful that those stifling the media are on a barrage of attacks on the media are a product of the media and freedom of expression in Kenya. But for this regime led by a crooked dictator, learning from his counterparts in East Africa, it is worse. Journalists covering corruption stories, abuse of the rule of law, wanton looting of public resources, and other beats, and who have refused to be silenced, unintimidated, or corrupted by the state, live under perpetual fear, intimidation, and daily threats from the state machinery. Media houses that are firm on their independent editorial policy have not been spared either. Notably, on 25th June 2026, in the full glare of cameras, we witnessed a police officer throw kicks at a journalist in Nairobi streets for no apparent reason. Further, on 26th June 2026, 4 armed men believed to be police officers from the dreaded Killer Squad, Nairobi Sierra, armed with AK-47 assault rifles, attempted to abduct the Standard Group Nakuru-based associate editor.
Wetani abakenya chimi ibere nigo banyariko bakuburia serikali ya Kenya inyariko bakikubanganya koru ase ense area ya South Africa. Aiga nigo agocha chingaki abanyene ense eyo banyariko bakora okorubikana bakuburia abantu bari batari abamenyi bense eyo gose batari abayiburwa banyariko bakoru ase ense yo nabo igona bari batabwati amasakara amaikano yo kubanjira kobera imeyense eyo ase umugaso bwitukuria rero abakenya 25 no yomo nigo banyako bawika imeyense ya Kenya ase abande 25 etano muna batatu bakagirwe karitu koria ankyo nabo go ense ijubono nigo yanyarako bagyokurwa ogochika gwikaritu koria rero abantu bonsi bari ense yubatangiri kobera orobanyarako bakunganya rimoryoka.
Airport 26 Kenyans coming from South Africa. We evacuated the first group of 26 Kenyans who are fleeing the xenophobic or Afrophobic attacks that we have recently seen in the media. That number of 26 is just the first batch of the waves of Kenyans that we are working to evacuate. We are expecting a group of 63 Kenyans to arrive a little bit later tonight and another group to arrive tomorrow. So far, since we issued a call to the Kenyan diaspora living in South Africa who would like to be evacuated or who are facing or who feel that they are currently in danger, since we issued a call for them to register, we've had just a little bit over 200 people registering. At our Kenya High Commission now in Pretoria, we have a group of more than 100 Kenyans who are taking shelter at the Kenya High Commission in Pretoria, and our team from the Kenya High Commission is extending services to them and has offered sanctuary and shelter. This group of about 200 or so who have requested to be evacuated is a small percentage of our entire diaspora in South Africa, where we have over 27,000 Kenyans living and working. It is truly sad that we have seen this kind of attacks facing communities from other parts of our continent.
Oigo omochengo na mogoko ni gonyaka bogokorokana ase eskuru ya Nyabisa se yugonyaka bakegotoka ebunge area ubasi county ya Kisii maiga yo mwalimu wase Elieta David Ogega onyara kobaga kulitaya koru ase ensemo iyo maiga yo koba umwarimu ase gika kemerongo ene nabo igo ase skuru yo nigo anyatuka bakago so abuna umwarimu omone umwaka o 2015 ase anyara kobaga ko yikinya nabo igo gwikira rero iganigo eskuru yo yabwate wetani abana kiribu isato nabo igo ase bali barachikonya koba wisanansira amatemu amanene y'umwaka yiga Form 4 nigo bari wetani eribu eyemo korengana amona barai abai abarimu nabo igo abaiburi banyako bagwikana ensemo iyo nigo banyako bagotogia umukyabo mwarimu yo kubwatikana amono kogenda gukinya eskuru iyo nene ase anyarako bagakoberene ringambu yamono asoko gendera kumwali chinga kichinyororo kwene kibnankora arenge eskuru iyo ase nchira yoboitongo.
We have around a sound-minded man of what a balanced attributes. I have known Mwalimu David for quite some time. I'm now 39 years old. It means Mwalimu akianza kufunza, I was still in my mother's womb.
Because of time, Mheshimiwa Mutume, principal integasi work kole Nyabisa se ito. Na boli saina kobe king make. Onye go ko mo chumbe na bogo choga bogo mekyo na bogo tebo montabe governor na bogo tebo montabe president njega ngo saba 2027 gego ika ojaze sama ito ya chupiri ngambeno Mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i akweti keti yo mo chumbo basi.
Tremendous support I received throughout my tenure. Your spiritual guidance, moral foundation and unwavering partnership contributed to exemplary academic performance and baptism of many students. Thank you for the constant nourishment of their souls and for rooting our school in faith and service. The SDA Judge has done wonders in this school. We have always worked together. All the time since the field came, from the time of Mr. Pastor Vichanga, we have been working very well. Then came Mr. Undabu. Then today we have Pastor Oburu. I don't want to forget Bwana Kikwai, the secretary. They have been very supportive of this school. This school has baptized very many students. Wengi, every year we baptize over 200 runners to our SDA church. So we want to say thank you, the SDA church. Continue cooperating with the incoming principal. Do the stakeholders of Nyabisase. No leader achieves greatness in isolation. the monumental transformation of Nyabisa School from Weroko Mixed Day School of just 120 students in 2015 into a regional powerhouse hosting 3,500 learners is a testament to shared vision and collective sweat. Stakeholders, the community, I want to appreciate you. Since I came to this institution, I have received a lot of support from our immediate community, from our immediate primary school. We have worked extremely very well. And I want to encourage you, please continue in the same mood. Please continue in the same route that we have been taking. I am sure a wonderful principal is on the way coming. Is on the way coming. And they will be one of the collaborators of the community and the school. To the board of management under Mr. Woli and the PA chair who have worked in this school for many years.
Wanchumurigeri wikiraga buonongo chikonya kabingonya buturira amagia kuru ase ikitasini kiga konyumantararu ase embeo na boyo karondigeti ase screen eribosi bwanega rotinga etimu ya Ivory Coast na boyo etimu ya Norway nigo bagendete gusaria obonyansi nyoranga ekeminano kerikia World Cup nigo kegendete kwanekiwa imiyinse eri ya America ase chide kabanya ko bawike chide ka chemerongo 3 na boyo ase chitepo etimu ya Mexico nigitangaine Group A kanyaka watu na South Africa, Group B Swaziland kanyaka gutangana Canada kanyaka kunyibua ati Group C Brazil gatangana na mbogo Morocco ikanyaka kujibua ati Group D nigo etimu ya USA tangaine kanyaka kubwatu ni etimu ya Australia na mbogo ase Group area E Germany nigo itangana na Cote d'Ivoire ikanyaka kujibua ati Group F Netherlands nigo itangana bogo etimu ya Japan ikanyaka kunyibua ati na bogo Group G Belgium ikatangana bogo etimu ya Egypt ikanyaka kunyibua ati Group H Spain ikatangana ikanyaka kubwatu na timu area ya Cape Verde na bogo ase Group ya I France ikanyaka gutangana ikanyaka kubwatwa amone timu area Norway. Group J Argentina ikatangana ikanyaka kubwatu na timu area Australia na bogo Group K Colombia ikatangana timu ya Portugal ikanyara kuyibwatu. Group L timu ya England ikatangana na boyo Croatia ikanyaka kuyibwatia na boyo ase knockout gose timu chichanya sokiwa kuru ase ekeminano ekyo kya World Cup ndo tinga timu ya South Africa nigo yabete timu entangani gosokiwa na boyo timu eri ya Canada asenyete kunyibeka egori eyamo ase rigenari sagiro na boyo Netherlands na Morocco timu chuchi kanyaka gukora rakinende timu ya Netherlands kanyaka gosokiwa kubatikana amono kurigereria na bogo amachiko yensemo iyo ya World Cup na bogo ase timu ya German na France timu ya German ikanyaka bakigwa kwa isiko na bogo ne timu eri ya Paraguay ase amachiko ayo banyatko bakora edro yegori eyamo ase yamo itukuria ankyo France na Sweden batikonya ko bakorigia baratikonya ko bagutigara ase ekeminano ekyo Belgium na Senegal batikonya ko bakorigia abuna ase ritukuria ankyo inyura ntogendete kubwatiria kirikegendete korekana ase bitibia America kubwatikana amone keminano ekyo kya World Cup na kira tunyaka bagiye kugenda kogoserwa ase chinsemo icyo wikrabo tiga umonguru agoseni na boigo akwagate na boigo genda kubwati Amazing Voice of Victory inyuranga na boko nyaka boko kubwati ruchibicha ase amatera aho na boko nyaka boko recorderwa ase ensemo area audio na boigo ande akonyara kubwate umuyega otete abamino banyara ko bakora anemono bari batari ense ya Kenya gusukubekwa YouTube kubekwa Facebook abaye kubekwa ase TV yaito nigo kunyaka bako gutare gwikachia bisi chaito chia Golf Arcade meyo mochi obusongo erinde onyare ko bako gukorerwa egasiyo naboigo abari abanyara ko bako kuma ase kukorukeria amangana ayo iri anene ngonguru kwa Hesbon bosire.